All right, so this is vocabulary mini lesson number 2, and the learning goal is to understand that words can have feelings attached to them that can communicate hidden meanings. Now, the hidden meanings in the learning goal is actually the connotation of a word. So the feelings that are attached to a word can be called a connotation. And so some words can have a very similar meaning, but the connotations communicate something to the reader that may be more positive, maybe more negative, or maybe more neutral. Now, how I feel like this is beneficial as an explicit skill to teach after writing is that students may not understand the reason for choosing synonyms. They may feel like it's unnecessary to focus on their word choice. But if a word has a particular connotation, say a negative connotation, but the tone of the piece is meant to be positive, then doing a synonym search for a more positive word connotation is important. So if you take about it, talking about teenagers as an example, the word adolescent is a more neutral word in its in the feelings that are attached to it, whereas junior has kind of more of a homely kind of feel, a more family kind of vibe. It suggests that the adolescent is young but not immature, whereas the word juvenile definitely has a negative connotation attached to it, even though the main focus of the word is talking about the age and maturity of the individual. So teaching a mini lesson on this would be good to focus on maybe specific words that relate to your KLA. And not every content word is going to have different connotations, but if you're reviewing a particular piece that you've done, or reviewing an article or an independent response to something, it may be useful to talk about connotations. Now, the activities that you can do are either giving them words and getting them just to add them to a column, or you can just look at a particular article and highlight words that maybe have positive or negative connotations. The whole idea is that you're just focusing attention individually on one vocabulary or one word, in the writing task. So that's the mini lesson.